Hi guys. Were you guys in my machine learning class? I just had a machine learning class.
I was.
Who are you?
And
Me. Me. Me.
What about 446214? Who are you?
Tony Huang. I entered my name wrong as the password.
Oh, I'll rename you. Oh, okay. You did it yourself. Cool. How do you guys like it? Were you guys able to understand everything?
I learned it before.
Oh yeah, that's good. All right. So let's talk about today's class. Let's see if everyone's here. Make sure everyone's here. We're missing. Oh, missing a lot of people. Let me make sure everyone's here. Okay, Jeffrey is not coming today. Evan is here. Mingfei is not here. Let me make sure that. All right, so let me take a look at everyone's homework submission. See if I have everyone's homework in. Okay. And if you haven't submitted, I'm gonna do it ASAP. So that we can be more prepared for today's class. Wait, so far I only have Lily's submission. What's going on? What about your submissions? Tony, Richard?
I sent you something.
Yeah, I submitted. It's on the GitHub. It says Tony edited.
Yeah, I added to the website the whatever you call folder.
What website? So
The GitHub.
you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
I did my homework. Oh, you have to put the files in. Oh.
Yeah. Do it right now. Do it now.
Files
Alright.
in what?
Wait, how do you put the files in again?
Okay, I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm gonna show you real quick. So let me cd into my. What's the name of that?
CD class.
No, I didn't name it the same name. I forgot the name. Let me just clone it again. So git clone. CD web design team. Okay. And if I have a new, okay, let me just open this up first. Right, so I'm gonna
Wait,
create.
do you have to do it through do you have to do it through the console?
Yeah, that's the preferred way. You can also do it through VS Code. Okay, so I'm gonna name this Bob.
Wait, do you have to go into anything? Because I'm just on my main folder thing.
What? What do you mean?
Do I have to go into like desktop web design?
Yeah, desktop web design. If you have put it on a desktop, then you should definitely go into desktop web design.
So wait, I forgot how to go into what desktop again.
Okay, I'll help you later. But let's take a look at my code first. Okay, so you first go to your desktop, and then you cd into web design team, and I'm gonna open it up, and I have created a folder called Bob. Okay, and
I need to rejoin. I think my files are on another account.
Okay, sure. So inside the Bob, we have an index.html, and let's say I created my website here, and all I need to do is come here, git add, git commit, initial commit, and git push. Okay, this is all the three things I need to do. Okay, these are the three things I need to do. So after I push it, it should show up here. Okay, simple as that. This is easy, right? You only had this as your homework. It shouldn't take you that long. So I have the Bob folder here, index.html. Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, what's up?
So my only problem was that I had my file, and for some reason it did not connect to my Git.
You had a file, but it didn't connect to your Git.
I don't know if that makes any sense.
Okay, so first thing you gotta do is git add and git commit homework, Git push. I just posted it in our chat. Make sure you see it. Okay, so these are all the things that you need to do. Okay.
It says get add is not like a command. It says
Let me take.
fatal get not a git repository or any of the parent directories. Git.
Yeah, Lily is the only one who did the homework correctly. Brian, show me your screen. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, so Brian, you need to first go into your folder. Okay, so you got a CD, desktop. Okay, now that you're on desktop, you got a CD into web design team. You have your folder on your web design team. Where's your folder?
Onto my folder. My folder is like
Is it my app? No. What did you save your folder last time? Where's your personal website, by the way?
my personal website.
The one you made.
It's this one. It says Dazzling, but
Okay. Let me see.
it wouldn't let me rename it.
It doesn't have anything in it.
What? But when I put it in, it had stuff in it.
It's empty.
What? But when I put it in, it had stuff.
Wow, it doesn't.
broken.
So Brian, you just find your personal website. Where's your personal website?
My personal website, that folder had stuff in it.
Right.
There's a,
Put it in the recycle bin. Oh, there it is. It's Dazzling. Is this one?
yeah.
Okay, let's move it out. Did you change anything in it?
Yeah, I changed it to Lightning.
Now I need to find your web design repo. Okay, so let's go to your web design repo. So you can go to repositories. Oh wait, I think I haven't invited you to the web design repo. So you missed the class last week, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me invite you first to the repo. Send me your GitHub username.
It's right here. It's right here.
Okay, couldn't do my name. Paste, go. And you should be landed in our GitHub page and accept invitation. Okay, you just have to clone the code and go to your here, git clone. Enter. And now all you got to do is put your Dazzling folder, rename that to Brian. Okay, so everyone else who didn't submit their homework correctly, pay attention to what I'm doing for Brian, okay? So I don't want to do this 5 times for you guys. So move this into web design folder. So just move it, and then all you need to do is cd into web design, and all you need to do is the 3 steps to git add, git commit, submitted homework, and git push. Okay, that's all you need to do. So there, you have just submitted your homework. Okay. So,
Okay.
So
All right.
let's refresh this page, and there we go. We have Brian's coding here. Okay. Got it.
Can I ask-
All right.
Wait, who asked the question? Richard?
Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah.
So what happened was I had so I had to do something to my computer, and then basically I deleted the my web design class or team, my web design team folder, How do I get the folder again?
You deleted it?
Yeah.
You have to clone it again. Right here. You have to clone it.
You clone it and then you plug it into the GitHub. You type in git clone, and it should already.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
Tony, do you need help?
Yeah. What do you do after when you say like CD?
We'll share your
like-
screen. I just made you the co-host.
Okay.
For my thingy, it's apparently it's yellow hints. Can I show my screen?
Sure.
Can you see?
See, right here
Uh,
it has hints
did you share your screen? I don't see your screen, bro. Oh,
right here.
I see it now. Okay, so what's up?
Apparently there's hints. I did the git add and then this happened.
For some reason I can't. Okay. I can't control your screen, but I can annotate. So git add. Yeah, that's correct. Just keep going. You just keep going. Oh, wait.
Okay.
Hold on. So I think I know what's going on. You added another git repository. So open this up in your file explorer. Okay.
What? The file explorer? Wait, what did you say? You said open it up in the file explorer?
Yeah, so open this up, open your web design team up in your file explorer, on your Windows file explorer. I need to see it in folders.
This thing?
Mhm.
Apparently, wait a second. Apparently I added this. It doesn't show up in VS Code.
Hold on.
I have this in I did my homework, but apparently it doesn't show up in VS Code.
Can I see your desktop?
Where is it? Oh, okay, wait a second. Here.
But the screen that I'm seeing is just your terminal. I can't see anything else other than the terminal.
Oh. Wait a second.
Yeah, you have to show me the entire screen, not just the terminal itself.
Here you go. Here.
Cool.
I'm in desktop.
So your web design team, all right, let me see. Request remote control. Okay, you have another web design team in your web design team for some reason. Right, so this is the web design team that you should actually have.
Oh.
I'm gonna move it to your desktop. And I'm gonna replace the files so that you have the correct web design team. Okay, so you just move, you just put Evan here. Okay, you did this correctly, but you need to add it in your Git. So show me your command prompt. Let's go to cd desktop and cd web design team, git add, git commit, homework from Evan, and git push. Okay. So you need to git pull first because someone else updated the GitHub before you. So git pull and git push. Okay, so that's the 3 steps that you have to do to submit your homework.
Thank you.
Wait up.
Wait a second. Whenever I git clone,
Huh?
for some reason it says git is not. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know what problem is. My bad. I have to re-download git.
Okay.
How come why press why write git add and then space dot nothing happens?
Wait, what? What do you mean? I didn't understand that. Could you say it again?
Like well I just like cd desktop and then cd web design team
Mm-hmm.
and then I did git add and then like space dot and then I press enter, nothing happened.
Yeah, that's the way it is. It's supposed to be like that. All right, Evan, do you understand everything now?
Yeah, I'm good.
Tony, show me your screen.
Okay.
Can you tell me what the website is to get GitHub
The website for the Git.
or to get Git?
What do you mean? You want to download Git?
Yep.
Just Google Git. Git download.
Okay.
It may be.
Because
It
there's multiple of them.
might take a while for you to download Git now. Okay, so try to download Git outside of the class. So Tony, now that you have Git add, that's normal. Okay, so just keep going. Git commit.
Oh, well, okay.
-M.
Is Git's logo like an orange thing with like?
Yeah.
Why?
So git commit -M. Dash, not slash. Dash. Space. Dash. M.
What's dash?
Okay, here. Dash M. All right, you type it. Minfei, I didn't see your homework submission. You need to submit your homework right away. Minfei, I didn't see your homework in the GitHub repo.
Like this?
Yep. Okay, good. Now, what's the next step?
Git pull. Since
Yeah, you have to git pull first.
is it just loading?
Yeah, it's just loading. It's a little slow. Now, if you're running to this, just do colon WQ.
Colon WQ.
Yep, enter. Great. Did you push? You gotta push.
I pushed.
Okay, awesome. So check on GitHub to see if it works.
Okay.
Okay, so today we're going to learn about mobile responsiveness. Okay, so we're going to create a website for mobile responsiveness. All right. So as always, I'm going to create a new repo. Okay, everyone can commit to this repo after they're done today to practice a little more on how Git works. Okay, I'm going to create a new repo called mobile responsiveness.
You're not sharing your screen.
Oh, right. Okay. Let me share my screen real quick. Okay, so mobile responsive test. Okay, so let's create a repo. And let me add everyone to this repo. So send me your GitHub username in the chat so I can add everyone real quick. Okay, send it to me. Okay, I got it. Eggbug. Who's next? Richard 777. Okay. One more. Who else? Okay, Lily, Brian, where's your username? And Tony? Wait, Lily, were you in the machine learning class? I think I saw a Lily Wu in machine learning. Okay, so there was a girl who has the same exact name as you in my other class. Anyway, so accept your invitations so we can get started. Okay, accept your invitations. All right, so before we go into mobile responsive, actually, I think I'm going to teach that next Wednesday. So we're going to wrap up Git real quick, okay? So there's one last thing we have to learn in Git, which is pull request, okay? It's pull request. So how pull requests work is that you have, in Git, you have a lot of different branches, okay? So let me draw a branch for you so you can figure out what I'm talking about. Let me find a. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw it here. So in Git, the main branch that we work with is called the master branch. Okay, so this is called the master branch. And from this master branch, we can separate out into different other different branches to work on other stuff. I'm gonna use a different color for this. So this is how Git works. So this is another branch. Let's say Lily created another branch. Okay. She calls it a Lily branch. And she can work on something and make commits. Okay, you guys know what commits are. She can make a commit. Every commit is going to look like a little dot here. And she can make another commit down the line. And when she's finished with her work, she can try to merge it back into the main branch. Okay, the main branch is always called the master branch. All right. And while Lily's working, Tony can also take a new branch from the master branch, okay? Tony can also take a new branch. And when Tony's working, let me use a different color for Tony. Tony is green. All right, so when Tony's working, he could make a commit like this with a little dot, make another commit. So every time you do git commit, it leaves a little history in your branch, okay? So once you have those history in your branch, is non-erasable. So you can't revert your commits in a branch. So whatever you commit is going to be permanent. So once Tony is done, okay, this is a really large dot. So this is a dot. So once Tony is done, Tony can merge in the code. He can do it before Lily does, or he can do it after Lily does. So this is the timeline, okay? So Lily gets a branch, works on it, and before Lily were able to push it back into the branch, to the main master branch, Tony merges first. Okay, this is what we call a merge. Okay, when we put the branch back in. So when Tony merges first, and then Lily tries to merge her work into the branch, into the master branch. But Lily is warned by the GitHub that she could not merge her branch in until she merges with what Tony updates. Okay, so now the branch started from this place to here. Okay, so Tony just updated the master branch with his merge. And now when Lily needs to merge it in, she needs to get the updates from Tony, from the master branch that Tony updated, and create a new merge. This is called a merge request. Okay. And then when that work is merged into Lily's work, she can now put it back into that master branch. Okay, so this is how Git works. Any questions so far? This is how Git works in a nutshell. Imagine we have another branch that started even before Lily did. Okay, and this is Brian. Say this is Brian. And Brian did some really fast work, okay? Brian only had to change a button's color, okay? So that's all Brian did. So Brian is pushing it back in. Okay, when Brian pushes it back in, does Brian need to get anyone's update? No, because Brian is the first one to merge it back into the master branch. So there was no other updates made before Brian did, okay? So that means when Tony pushes his green branch back in, Tony needs to get the change from Brian and make a merge, okay? Tony needs to get the change from Brian and make a merge, okay? And Lily now does not need to get Brian's change, because when Lily pushes back into the master branch, she knows that Tony would have Brian's updates, or else Tony wouldn't be able to merge back into the master. Okay, so Lily only has to merge in with Tony's update. Lily doesn't need to care about Brian's update, because Brian's update must have been absorbed by the Tony branch, okay, or else Tony wouldn't be able to push. Okay, any questions about how this works? Cool. Let me give you one last example before we move into the real action. Okay, so let's say Evan started some work down the line. Okay, between the time that Evan started right here, Evan was working on his homework and he made a new branch with the purple color. Okay, but Evan started a branch before Lily were able to merge it in. Okay, Evan started a branch, made some commits down the line, and when Evan's finally able to push back the code, who does Evan need to merge with in order to push Evan's code into master branch? Somebody tell me, whose code does Evan need to merge with to be able to push back to the master branch? Lily, very good. So Lily merged in before Evan were able to merge it in. Okay, so Evan only need to care about the latest merge from another branch. Evan doesn't need to care about Brian or Tony's merge, because Evan only need to look at Lily's merge and try to merge Lily's code into his branch so he could push back into the master branch. So one rule goes, okay? So there's only one rule. You have to be updated with the latest master branch to be able to merge your work back into master, okay? So with the homework we did last week, everyone was working on the master branch, okay? There was no other branches. So today we're gonna learn about how to create new branches in Git so we can work together as a team with code review and pull request, okay? So I'm gonna keep this diagram here and let's create a new branch in this repo. So make sure that you have accepted the invitation. I think Mingfei and Tony, you guys haven't accepted the invitation. Make sure you click on the link that I sent you and accept that invitation. Okay, so let's see. All right, so I'm in this repo and I'm gonna create a new folder for us to work with. Okay, so cd dot kdr mobile responsive test. Okay, mobile responsive test. And I'm gonna create a new HTML file. Open that with VS Code. Here we go. So with our index.html, I'm going to put something here. Same thing, Peter was here. Okay, Peter was here. And after I created Peter was here, okay, so how do I know which branch I'm on? I can do git status. I can type git status. Well, actually, I haven't initialized this repository yet. So git init. Okay. And I can do git status. So it's going to tell me that I'm on branch master, Okay, I'm on the master branch, which is this red line right here, the red straight line here. And if I want to create a new, branch, all I need to do is do git checkout -b, and I type in the name of my new branch. I'm going to call my new branch Peter. Okay, we'll call it.
Would this be different for Windows?
No, it will be the same.
Okay.
Question though. Git checkout -b Peter. Okay, you need to write this down. This is very important. If you don't write this down, you're going to forget it in your homework. So checkout with a new branch. That's git checkout -b Peter. Enter. So I just switched to a new branch Peter. Okay, I just created it. All right, now that I'm in branch Peter, I can do git add, git commit. Let's commit it with Peter, and I'm just typing a message Peter. And lastly, let me get remote at origin because I forgot to do this at the beginning. Git push. Okay, so it's the same process as if you were pushing, as if you were committing work on your master branch. Okay, it's the same exact process. It's just on a different branch. I'm on my Peter branch. Okay, so now that I've pushed up the work, let's see what it looks like. So I'm on my Peter branch. Okay, this is my Peter branch. And I don't have a master branch yet because I don't have any work on master branch. So let me come back to the master branch. How do I come back to the master branch? I can do git checkout master. Okay, there is no -b because master is already there. Okay, master is always there. So let's check out to master. Wait, what? Not mentioned. I think I made a mistake. So I need to. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me. I need to wipe this. So I forgot to commit something on master first. Now that master is lost because I created a Peter for master. Let me see if I can revert that. So I just disregard what I'm doing now. Okay. Let me see if it works. Okay, here we go. We have the master branch. We have Peter was here. All right, so let me come back. Okay, so here's where the class starts. Okay, so we need to first go from master to Peter branch. So if I want to go from one branch to another, I just do git checkout Peter. Okay, that's all I need to do. Git checkout Peter. And after I enter that, I will be switched to the Peter branch. Okay, anytime when you're working with Git and you're not sure where you are, just do git status. It will always tell you where you are. Okay, it will tell you I'm on branch Peter. Okay, so now that I'm on Peter branch, let me make some more change. Hello world. Okay, I added hello world to my text, and I can do git add, git commit, added hello world, and git push. Okay, so this work that's being pushed up, it's not going to show up in my master branch. So now I'm on my master branch, but if I click into HTML file, I don't see Peter's hello world. Right? I don't see hello world. So if I want to see it, I need to go back to Peter's branch and look at it from here. So Peter was here, hello world. So this is on my Peter branch. But now I need to merge my Peter branch into my master branch so that everything could be, put back together. So everyone's code needs to come together into the master branch eventually. So if I want to put the Peter branch into the master branch, I need to do something called a pull request. Okay, a pull request. So right here it says pull request. So click on that pull request, and I can do new pull request. Click on new pull request, and base will be the master, and compare will be the Peter. Okay, so it's Peter going into master. So I can create pull request, and this is the title of my pull request. I added hello world. I can add some description here, but I could just create a pull request. Okay, so here's my pull request. This is what a pull request looks like. And if I were to review the pull request, I can go into files changed. I can see everything that has been changed in this pull request. I added hello world here. Okay, so I can review the change by giving it comments, or approve it, or request change. Okay, so I could just write something 1, 2, 3, comment, make a comment on this pull request. So this person will need to, fix that comment. And since I don't have any setting up that's protecting the master branch, I could just directly merge this pull request in, commit, confirm change. Okay. After I confirm that change, I'll be able to see that my my master branch has added hello world. Okay, so this is added hello world here. Okay. Got it. Any questions about how pull requests work? So pull request is an important way for us to make sure that all the code that we merge into the master branch is reviewed and is bug free. Okay, so pull request is where we review everyone's code, make sure that you're not pushing any boo-boos into the code base. Okay, so next, I would like everyone to try working with pull requests. So everyone, check out to your own branch and change something in our index.html.
Oh, I can't because I don't have Git. I can do this after class probably.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'll give you guys 10 minutes to work on this, okay? If you have any questions, ask away.
So do we need a folder for this?
Hey, what was the question again?
Do we need a folder to do
Yeah.
this?
You need to clone this down first, okay? First step, you gotta clone this down. There's some problem with my code. I should have named my default branch master instead of Peter. Hold up. Okay, default branch is master. All right, now you can get to work. So let's clone this and change something in index.html, then push it up to your branch. Okay, don't push it up to master because I'm going to disallow it. Okay, so I'm going to go into settings, I'm going to go to branches, and I'm going to add a protection rule for branches. So I have to review the pull request first. Two people have to review the pull request first. And I'm going to protect the master branch. Great. Okay, so now you cannot push to the master branch anymore. You have to push to your own branch and create a pull request for yourself. Then we can review it together and merge it in as we see fit. Remote origin already exists. So Tony, if it says remote origin already exists, that means you have already done it. You don't need to do it again. Okay, just keep going.
Wait, so I could do git clone and then the git remote add origin thingy?
You don't need to do remote origin thingy if you're cloning from someone else's repo. I already did it for you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, so how do I get into the folder?
Wait, did you already do it for me?
Yeah, it's already done for everybody.
All right.
Wait, so how do I get in the folder?
How do you get folder? What do you mean? Share your
I
screen.
mean, how do I get in the folder?
Let me see your screen.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that either.
All right, let me do it on Evan's screen so you guys can take a look.
There we go. So I did this. Where git clone add remote origin thingy.
So show me your screen so I can show you.
I am sharing my screen.
Really? Well, wait, I don't see the screen. Are you really showing the screen?
I
Yeah.
see a screen. I see command prompt.
Same.
Where is it? Where do you guys see it?
I think. Wait. Never mind.
Wait, what are
Wait,
you
are you
seeing?
sharing my screen?
Oh yeah, I see it now. It's hidden in my bottom right hand corner. All right. So where are you? Okay. So did you? Let me. Hey, you gotta share. You gotta share the entire screen, not just the command prompt.
Wait, yeah, I did.
Oh, just that you have it full screen, right?
Yeah, I just had a full screen.
Let me see if you have cloned it. So you haven't cloned it yet. So git clone. And did you copy the link?
Yeah, I did it. Wait a second. It's right here.
I'll
Oh,
just
no.
copy it again. I'll just copy it again.
Okay.
And paste it.
Oh, wait, I'll do it since you're on Mac.
Yep, there you go. Enter. Awesome. So next up, you CD into mobile responsiveness test, and you check out for a new branch. How do you check out for a new branch?
It's up here somewhere. Git checkout.
Git checkout.
With the line thingy be Evan.
Yep. Write it. Okay, very good. Enter. Now you do something. You change something in this file. Make a change. Write something else. So how do you open up Visual Studio Code? Now go to index.html. You can create a new file if you want. You can do whatever you want in your own branch. You can't have another index.html. I have to get something else. Okay, good. Now do something here.
Okay.
Save. Now how do you add, commit, and push?
I can go right here and do it.
Okay, Evan chose to do it the dummy way. There's nothing wrong with it. I just look down upon people who use this. Yeah, just type your message here.
Oh,
Okay, now how do you push it? Okay. All right, so let's take a look at GitHub. Go to GitHub. Go to your GitHub page. All right, so do you see it? Oh, wait. Do you see it? Evan has recent push less than a minute ago. So now you want to compare and pull request.
compare and pull request.
And change the title to something. What did you do?
I added some code.
Okay. Create. Now that you have created it, let's review your code. Okay, so you can stop sharing your screen. I will share mine.
Okay.
So I need someone else to code review Evan's code with me. Okay, so who wants to volunteer? Code review. So Richard, you want to code review?
Sure.
Okay, so Richard, let's come to this. Let's come to the pull request page for Evan. All right.
Okay.
And I'm gonna click into here, and this is the pull request from Evan. And I'm gonna take a look at Evan's code from the files change. Okay.
Files change?
Yeah, files change. Are you on the same screen?
No. I'm on. I added. Okay. I see it. I added. Okay.
Okay.
Files change.
So if I'm not happy with any line of code that Evan wrote, I can say that, okay, so title, document, I can say that, okay, where is your title? Document is not good. And now I'm gonna start a review with that comment. And Richard, you can post a comment here too. So find a line that you don't like and post a comment. So Evan would have to change it if he wants to merge this into the master. Okay, this is the code review process. And this is all I do. This is what I do at work every day. Okay. The work that makes $150,000 a year.
Okay, I think I did.
Wait, you did? Let me refresh the page. See if I see. No, you didn't.
Let me do it again.
Go to the line. Make sure you type. Make sure you click on the button that says Start Review.
Oh, I clicked something else, I think, hon. Let me see. Wait, it says leave a comment, and I am.
Yeah, you have to click on one of the lines, and there's a plus.
Yeah.
There's a plus button, a blue button. Do you see it? Click on that.
Add review comment.
Yeah, add review comment. Do you see it?
Pending. It says pending. Finish
Right.
review. Oh, okay. I see. Okay, got it.
Did you add it?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
I did it twice.
All right, no problem.
Oh, I see it.
So now that
On the top, it says like something. I didn't see on the top.
so I'm,
Wait a second. I don't see.
you probably need to refresh it again to see it.
I only see Richard for some reason.
You don't see mine? Oh,
Yeah.
because mine is pending. I haven't submitted my review.
Yeah, that's why I had to click.
Okay,
Oh,
click on the top right-hand corner and click Request Change. Okay, that's when I submit my review.
hit
When I
commit,
submit my
comment.
review- yeah, when I submit my review, it's gonna show up here. Okay.
oh, I see it now.
Now, we just request some change from Eggbug. So Eggbug, you need to go back to your code and change what we asked you to change. Okay. After you change it, after you finish changing it, please add a commit and push again. So let's see your screen.
So, huh?
Let us see your screen.
Okay.
Okay? So we just requested some change from Evan. So he needs to fix his code because we don't like it.
So I have to. I don't even know. Okay. So, after title.
Are you sharing your screen? Oh, I see it now. Okay. So, Evan, you need to add more content. Richard said you need to add more content. Yeah, add another, let's say add an image. Let's add an image.
Add a
to-
P tag. I don't know.
you don't add your image
Just in the head.
in the head. You gotta put it in the body.
I find my identity. Why not?
You can use my image if you want.
Where is the image?
If you look up Peter Zheng, you'll find out.
Oh. So I have to go.
Okay, just saying that's a fun fact. IMG Academy is a top tier school in Florida.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Okay, now you gotta push it. Cool, now go to GitHub. All right, so scroll down. Do you see that you added more code right here?
Wait.
So, all right, so Richard, come back to the pull request page and resolve the conversation if you think that Evan just fixed whatever the problem that you had.
How did I do that?
I'll show you, okay? So this is my screen. So if I like what I'm seeing, I can click here, okay? So this is the commit that Evan made. I can click here and see what Evan changed. So Evan added Evan's website and an image in his latest commit. So, okay, I like that. I can resolve my comments, okay?
Oh, okay. Let me see.
I can resolve my conversation. So I can just click on resolve conversation and that's over, okay? That's good. So
Did I do it?
Yeah, I just approved it. And Richard, I need you to do the same thing.
I think I did it.
Okay, awesome. So all the comments are resolved. Richard, let's come back to the files changed and review it again. If you like it, click on approve. Okay, I just approved it.
For some reason, I can't see the new work I did.
You mean the files changed? I can see it.
Wait.
You have to refresh your page.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see it. I see it.
Richard, did you approve it?
Where do I approve?
You go to files changed. You look at review changes, and there's a button that says approve.
Oh, okay.
So
Oh,
it needs at least
got it.
2 people to approve it. I set it up so that it needs 2 people to approve it.
Understood.
Right. So, yeah. All right. So now 2 people have approved it. Evan, you can now click on the green button that says merge pull request because everything has been approved for you. You can now merge your code.
Press- Okay. Confirm. Do I have to press confirm merge?
Yep.
Okay.
Awesome. Now this code is being merged. Okay. You can choose to delete your Evan branch if you want when you're done with it.
Okay.
Okay. Now that's the entire process of code review and pull request. Okay. So who wants to volunteer next? Let me show it one more time for someone else. Who else wants to volunteer? Mingfei, you've been really quiet. Mingfei, you want to try it?
Sure.
Okay. Or how about this? Everyone, go to your own branch, create a new branch, change something in this file, and push it up. Then put it up for pull request. Okay. I need to see a total of 7 pull requests here. Okay. I'll give you 5 minutes. I'll give you 5 minutes to put up all the pull requests here.
I think I just did it.
Do I have to
Or
do another one?
What?
Do you have to do another one?
You have to do
Okay.
another one. So just to get more practice. All right.
I think I just made a pull request. I'm not sure.
You did? Let me see. Oh yeah, I got something from Fast Hot Dog. That's Mingfei, right? Awesome. So everyone else, review each other's code, okay? Comment on the things that you don't like and make them change it. So after you approve it, that person can merge the pull request, all right? So this is Mingfei's pull request. Let me know if you have added yours. So Lily, Richard, Tony, Brian, you guys need to add in your pull request.
wait. So can I do this without Git?
You can't do this without, oh, you could if you have your VS Code.
Yeah.
Have your VS Code?
Yeah, I have VS Code.
Remember how Evan did it?
Oh, okay. Can I do it with my homework?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm just gonna do it real quick.
it's front of. You're not considered a true programmer. if you-
Actually, I don't remember how to do it the dummy way.
you know what? Just watch the video afterwards, okay?
Okay, yeah, I can't do it now.
Pull request afterwards.
Wait, can you help me after class with my Git? For some reason, whenever I type in Git for the command prompt, it does nothing. It just says can't find like request or something.
Okay.
How come I can only see my pull request?
What?
I only can see I only can see my pull request for some reason. Can't see the
I see it. Hi.
uh,
Did you make one just now?
yeah, I think that's mine's.
I see it.
Yeah, that's mine.
All right, make sure when you're done, review other people's code. Either give them a request for change or approval. And the good news is there is no homework today, but make sure you submit your homework from last class. Okay? So enjoy your weekend with no homework. Next class, we're going to learn about responsive images, responsive web design.
I think I paused something.
Yeah, what's up? Want to share your screen?
wait, it's not letting me approve. It's not letting me approve.
What do you mean?
Like,
You go to files changed, you click on review changes, you can do approve.
Can you tell me the way to check if I have Git on my computer?
Just type in Git in your command prompt and you know if you have it.
Git, just type in Git.
Mhm.
Oh, I have it. Okay, let me try. Oh shit, I forgot everything.
it doesn't say. It doesn't say reprove. Oh, like at the bottom.
Yeah.
No, I don't have that at the bottom. I don't have something at the.
Show me your
I
screen.
just have leave a comment.
Show me your screen.
I just have this.
Okay, so now you just click on cancel. Scroll up. What do you want to do? You want to leave a comment on anything, or you want to just straight up approve it?
I just want to approve.
Okay, so now you gotta go to pull request. You gotta go to pull request and find out which one you were working on. Was it Eggbug? Click on hi and click on files changed. And right side you have the review changes.
Is it here?
Yeah, you have to go to review changes. Approve.
Oh, and approve.
There you go. Good. Now you can approve the other one too if you want. The other.
All right. Wait.
Awesome. All right. So what about everyone else? I only see 2 pull requests.
I got a problem.
Okay. Share your screen.
I cannot even find my folder.
Can't find your folder.
Like when I go, the folder is supposed to be there, but it's just not there. I cannot find it in the Finder.
Are you sharing your screen?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see it now.
This is the index.html from it, but when I go into Finder, I just cannot find the folder. It's not there.
Okay. We see your screen.
It's not in download or documents.
Should be in your
Or
desktop, right?
it's not there. That's the problem.
All right. Why don't you just clone it again? Git clone. Wait. Copy that clone link again and clone it again.
Okay. A clone.
Okay. Now you go into this mobile responsive test. Then you create. How do you create a new branch?
Using. Wait. You use the git checkout -b Tony.
Did you type it?
Let me type it.
Now you want to change something in your code, and then just commit it.
do I change stuff again?
What?
Like, how do I change stuff again?
Did you open it up in a Visual Studio Code? Wait. All right, so let's close this. Open it up with open a new window. So we want to open up the folder for mobile responsive test, okay, on the desktop. And here, you can add something to my HTML file. Say H2, Tony was here too. Okay, now you save it and just do git add, git commit, added Tony message, and git push. Oh, we have to do this. So upstream. Okay, now it should be good. Now you just go head into the pull request, and let's create a pull request right here. Okay, so this is a pull request creation. Okay, now just create pull request. That's all you need to do.
Oh, okay.
Cool. And it said that you have a conflicting file. Okay, so everyone pay attention. So, so Tony ran into a conflicting file problem. Okay, so we might see it. You might also see it later on if you try to push into the same file that other people is changing. So you need to resolve the conflict either on GitHub or on your locally. Okay, so let's open up Tony's terminal. Let's try to get. Let's first try to check out to master and get pull from master. Let's pull down the master. Okay. Now we want to check out Tony. Come back to Tony and do get merge master. Okay, so you want to first pull down the master change, come back to Tony, merge with master. And now you're going to have all the conflicts here, so you can resolve it. And we have Minfei and someone else's Hi World. Okay, so let's try to figure out what we want to keep. Okay, we want to keep Tony and Minfei, so we want to accept both. But when we accept both, we want to remove all the duplicate stuff. So we want to remove all the stuff that's duplicated. We're left with all the stuff that we want to keep out. Okay, so these are all the stuff that we want to keep. Okay, so after that, we can just do git add, git commit, resolved conflict, and git push. That's all you needed to do. And now that you have git pushed, the conflicting file is going to be gone. Okay, so that's going to be gone because you just made an update to your page. All right, so we just resolved the conflict. So everyone, take a look at Tony's pull request. Okay. All right, Tony, do you know how to do it now?
Yeah.
Cool. Cool. All right, so let's see who else's pull request are we looking for here. So does everyone have the pull request in? All right, let's see. I think I'm still missing Brian's. Where's Brian's pull request? Brian, do you have a pull request for us?
Isn't like approve a pull request?
What?
Isn't approve a pull request?
What do you mean?
I put approve.
Oh, okay. Do you have a pull request from? Do we have a pull request from you? Did you push
You
up?
should, because I clicked confirm. I clicked
Right. You review somebody else's pull request, but we need to see something from you. You need to create your own pull request too.
all right.
Yeah, do it now. So, all right. So we have Lily's, we have Tony's, and we have Eggbugs. Everyone, please review each other's branch, so that person could merge their branch into the code. Okay. Make sure you review other people's branch.
While we wait, can you help me turn in my homework? For some reason, it just keeps saying the same thing.
Yeah, sure. Let me see your screen.
Okay. Can I share?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so if you have reviewed everyone's code, you may go. Okay, that's the end of today's class.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay. So it's right here. I'm trying to get add.
When is the final test?
Hmm?
When is the final test? Like the test, basically.
What do you mean the file test?
Like you said something about like a test, or yeah, something like a test.
Oh, the final exam.
Oh, exam.
Yeah, that's on the August the 13th.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Can I ask a question about the final exam?
Yeah, sure.
Is there a time limit? Like, how long do we have to do it in?
I'm still debating whether or not I'm gonna give you guys a time frame. We might not take the whole class because I want to do some JavaScript stuff during the class. So the final exam is gonna be pretty casual. I'm just gonna send you the exam. You can do it on your own time. Okay?
Oh,
Is that okay?
okay.
All right. So
Okay.
where is?
So whenever I started, right, I did CD commit or CD shoot. What did I say? CD desktop.
Look,
And
you're
then
on the desktop. You're on the desktop. You gotta
Yep,
go
I already
into
did that.
a folder. You gotta go into a folder.
So. Oh, okay. CD. What is it called again?
What?
What is it called?
What do you mean? What it's called?
The folder with all the homework in it. Let me check.
Web design team.
Okay, web. Okay, and then I'll go. Then I go git add
Mhm.
git commit dash m
Mhm. Yeah.
finally what
All right. You gotta tell them who you are.
how oh change it
Yeah, they gave you the instruction here. See?
so got oh
So you gotta just copy these down and put in your real information.
okay so did I copy this? Wait. Copy this correct?
Yeah, you gotta change the email to your own email.
But do I have to copy and paste this?
Huh?
Wait, so I just type in you or on cool. Actually, no, I think I did my other one.
No.
What?
Just type the whole thing.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna copy and paste that.
Type it.
Let me check if that was right.
Do the same thing for user.name.
Okay. User